Welcome again. In this video we're going to see how to add a beautiful background for your presentation and the easiest way to do this. So let's start. Before we start, you have to make sure that the page size is 16 to 9 and this one is the default. Okay, if you try to customize, it will be 1280 and 720. Why especially this size? Because it's related to what we're going to do next. Okay, the easy way to get background is through PowerPoint. Because of what? Because it's using the same dimension for Power BI. When you open the PowerPoint, you can see some theme, and if you click more theme, here present or any type, you will find another ones. For me now, I will select, for example, this one. You have to make sure that your selection is a light theme, not something heavy. You want only to make a beautiful dashboard. I think this one will be good. So there is too many options. I will select all and delete, but still I'm not satisfied with this one. So from view, master, slide master, I will select this one for example and then duplicate. Layout, I will select this one, this one, this one, delete, this one, delete, and those. Okay, then close, save master. After this, I will insert, I will reselect from here this one. And what is the next? Then from file, export, choose file type. I can select PNG or JPG. For now, I can select PNG. Save as. Select the location. Okay. Tools, nothing. Save option. Save. And just this one. Let's open the Power BI. From here, not the page size, the page background, add image, select the image and make the transparency to be 0. Voila. It will show a very nice background. This you can repeat it with any theme if you more theme, but as I told you, you have to make sure it's something light to be good. And now I shortcut some steps for you. I already extract some background, as you can see around 18 background, and you can download it direct from Planix Consulting Group. Just fill your name and email address and you will receive email including the download link. And who participate in my course on Udemy, Power BI, Arabic or English version, you can download it direct from the resource. I hope this video good for you and thanks for your watching.